Hello everybody, I'm Vika from Montevideo, Uruguay, and back there is my dog Camus. Camus! My final project for CS50 is an image Rescaler of the same name, super original, I know. And I did it on VS Code. For some reason I wasn't able to run it on the CS50 code space, but that was probably my fault. However, here is the project running. It lets you import an image, of course. I have one here to test. Nice preview. It has some stuff to fix yet. I have to work on this. When the image is too big, it kind of looks like this. It takes too much space, and I wanted to create kind of a canvas with scroll bars and stuff, so the image doesn't look like this, but I had a lot of errors and I still have to work on that. However, here you can input the size you want the image to be. Let's say I want it to be 480 by 480, and if I choose to preserve the aspect ratio, it will look like this. Let's save it to show you the properties, the details of the image. I will now show you. Here is. This is the modified image properties. And on details you can see that it didn't change the size to 480 by 480, but 480 by 718 instead. Now, if instead of this I do I uncheck this preserve aspect ratio, it will look all stretched like this. Let's say it like choo. Here is properties, details, 480 by 480. What else? Let's see. I implemented some undo and redo functions, and I also did some reset in case you modified a lot and just want to go back to the original image. And basically that's it. It has some error handling on the save and format function as well. And here is a little changelog that I was making while I made the app. On a first instance, the preserve aspect ratio wasn't an option per se, it was something like hard code. It will always preserve the aspect ratio. I implemented this checkbox. I don't know, basically that's it. I broke a lot of stuff, I fixed some other stuff, and there's still a lot of stuff to fix. I want to thanks a lot to the people on the CS50 course. It was an amazing experience. I learned a lot and I expect to continue learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.